Many individuals need to expand their pay for an assortment of reasons, including to escape obligation, save for the future, have a monetary pad for crisis needs, and just live more serenely. Numerous choices are accessible to expand your pay, for example, acquiring another accreditation or beginning a side business. The following are 10 methods for making additional pay. Get additional compensation with these choices. 1. Go back to school. Returning to school isn't the quickest method for expanding your pay, yet it accompanies the guarantee of expanded profession, amazing open doors, and compensation. With an expert's or doctorate, you are equipped for more significant level positions, which at last means you can bring in more cash in your vocation. Nonetheless, you ought to do some exploration in your picked field to guarantee that an expanded compensation will be a consequence of getting advanced education, as not all vocations work thusly. 2. Create an easy revenue. Easy revenue can build your income without going through preparing or seek after advanced education. Normal ways individuals procure automated revenue incorporate online journals, powerhouse showcasing via web-based media and YouTube channels. While these undertakings will unquestionably require time and work to get fully operational, they can pay off significantly and give a wellspring of uninvolved income. 3. Investigate your present representative advantages. Many organizations offer representative advantages that empower workers to set aside cash. Instances of these advantages incorporate an adaptable spending account, FSA, and 401k choices. These advantages assist with bringing down how much pay burdened and set aside cash for retirement. 4. Modify your duty portions. Assuming that you really want cash quick, you can change the expense kept from your check. This will furnish you with a greater check when the following payroll interval. In any case, it's vital to remember that you will in any case be responsible for paying duties on your pay toward the year's end. 5. Start a side business. One more viable method for getting additional pay is to begin a side business. There are different approaches to this, and a large number of them don't take a lot of time or cash on your part. For instance, you could give independent composing administrations on the ends of the week, or transform your adoration for photography into a side work that pays. 6. Earn an accreditation. Seeking after an accreditation can build the pay acquired in specific professions, including HR, individual preparing, and monetary preparation. You can utilize a few assets to take a program and accomplish confirmation, and large numbers of these projects can be finished online in your extra time. Research the confirmations accessible in your profession and consider getting one to help your pay. 7. Ask for a raise or advancement. Requesting a raise or advancement is one more approach to possibly expand your present pay. Assuming you have been in your situation for over a year and are an incredible worker, you ought to have the option to practically request and get endorsed for a raise. Moreover, assuming your organization has a vacant place that would be an advancement for you, consider applying for it. The more premium you show in progressing in your organization, the more probable you will be permitted to go up and get more cash flow. 8. Use your leisure activities for your potential benefit. A few leisure activities can be transformed into another surge of pay, including craftsmanship, videography, and gaming. Online assets like ETSE permit you to open your own internet-based shop and sell your fine art or different manifestations. It might require some investment to acquire a continuing here, however the more steady you are the better you'll do as far as pay. 9. Drive for a rideshare organization. Assuming that you have a dependable vehicle and a decent driving record, you can probably apply for and drive for an organization like Uber or Lyft. Rideshare organizations are great ways of acquiring extra pay and permit you to set your own timetable so you don't need to forfeit family or individual time. 10. Sell your previously owned garments and different things on the web. One more method for getting additional cash is to go through your things and run down the things you presently don't wear or use on a web-based stage like Poshmark. Be certain that your things are previously owned or like new, and that you incorporate illustrative data and top-notch photographs for each posting. You can likewise go to second-hand shops in your extra, an ideal opportunity to find previously owned creator things and run down these also to create a gain.